As you can see, this is my Hayter Harrier, and I've just fired it up for the new season, and it seems to be searching for its revs, hunting for its revs. You hear it struggling a little bit, and I've had this before. So what I'm going to do, quite a simple solution, and I will try and prove this, is on the bottom of the carb there's a little nut just there. I don't know if you can see it, and you basically turn the fuel off, run the engine till it cuts out so that the bowl is empty, and then take that nut out and blow it through, and I'll just show you. So there you go, I've just run the engine with the fuel stop off until this has run out, and now I'm going to take the nut off from the bottom here with a size 13 in this case. So this is the nut, and you can see it's got a hole on the side that goes all the way through, and one in the top. And all you do is you take one of these food wraps, expose the metal inside, and poke it through each of the holes, give it a little blow, make sure it's clear and you can see through it, pop it back in, stick the fuel on and give it a try, and hopefully that will solve your problem. Now I'm just popping the screw back on. As you can see, the nut actually holds this on, and there's a rubber ring on there, so just make sure it all locates before you nip it up. Take your size 13. Not too tight. You don't have to be He-Man. It's firmly on. Switch the fuel on. So here we go. Gonna give it a crank, see what happens. Ah, smooth. Lovely job. Nice easy fix. There you go guys. Enjoy.